mindset is like, oh yeah, I can go back to school, you know, like become, you know, a registered nurse. That's what I want to do, right? But like at the moment, my heart is like, oh, I love to coach. I want to be a coach. I want to do more, you know? So it's two different paths right now. I don't know.
Jenny, you guys can't lose that ball.
You guys gotta give back, you gotta go forward. You gotta know when to press and when to hold.
Like I said, when I snapped like back into reality, like, oh, like this dream might not happen, I kind of like gave up on the dream and laid back, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna finish my last year of soccer, you know, enjoy it while I can, because I knew I didn't have anywhere else to go.
Yo le decía, no, yo mejor dedícate a trabajar porque tú vas a prácticas, tú vas a todo y no ganas nada. Sabe lo que es bueno y lo que es malo. Y si ella le gusta, ¿verdad? Pues nosotros la vamos a apoyar.
Si es su oportunidad y le gusta y la suerte la acompaña, bienvenido sea.
Like with these false promises, like I would take the step and then the door is like shut already for me and it's locked. With this trip, I hope to be able to open that door and then kind of like see my options and then like have that choice of how to move on in life. It's alright, sit down, hands up, hands up, hands up. Big breath. No, breathe.
I want to be everything that I never got, and I'm just like, you know, I'm just here for the girls. Next week, we're gonna go on a business trip.
To introduce you to Nayeli and Luz. Nayeli's a player, Luz is a coach, so Luz is going to be shadowing obviously the staff, and then Nayeli's going to be joining in some training. She's going to be doing some testing and stuff during the week, just about sort of getting more opportunities for young Latino women to play football or soccer, whatever you want to call it. So make them feel welcome. They're going to be spending, as I said, the week with us training games and stuff.
And we're ready to go next week and attack Charlton. Okay, obviously now you're training with us and enjoy it. Feel no pressure and just have fun.
I think when you start asking for a real big financial commitment to play football, you're challenging a lot of families to be able to provide that. Again, like traditionally speaking, a lot of stories you hear both in the male and female game is how you've grown up playing on the streets with your friends, in school, places that don't cost to play.
Sometimes it's so hard for me to come up with drills, because I feel like we're kind of doing the same thing, but I got to learn that like it's okay if you have to kind of repeat some things for them to get it.
And that's what some coaches are scared of doing. Good, there, check away, open up, punch. Good, playing to me, good girl.
What I wish to get out of Watford.
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 What? No S.
Watford.
Not what? No. What?
What?
Ford.
Ford. Okay, Watford.
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 Yeah.
Okay.